At Alo, we believe yoga is for everyone. It's a practice that brings people together. It's a community supported by mindful movement. And we are relentless about making the best yoga clothing in the world explicitly to inspire yogis and yogis to have more yoga in their life. Inspiring mindful movement is at the core of why we do what we do at Alo. It's our calling. Because mindful movement leads to better living. This is the real meaning of studio to street. Taking the consciousness from practice on the mat and putting it into the practice of life. We live yoga and we love yoga. Alo began in Los Angeles in 2007 because the founders wanted to spread good by bringing yoga to the world. To anyone who is experiencing the transformative power of yoga, to the world's best yogis who wear Alo because it's the only line that actually elevates their practice, to the celebrities and the fashion forward who wear Alo because it's the perfect street brand, comfortable, contemporary, and decidedly not just for the mat. Mindfully modern creating garments that carry over to the street into a life lived consciously takes mindful movement one step further. A beautiful life celebrated with forward design, capturing what's trending in contemporary fashion with both the women's and men's collections is how Alo and mindful movement can travel beyond the studio. Luxury meets performance in every collection. Every Alo collection starts with fashion, so Alo looks as great as it performs in the studio. Celebrities are photographed wearing Alo all the time for a reason, because it's their daily go-to. We are always trend forward, so Alo wears great everywhere. Many of the most influential yogis in the world teach yoga at Alo headquarters and hang out with our team because we share a deep belief in spreading mindful movement and the transformative healing power of yoga. We are so inspired by the people we surround ourselves with, and we aspire to have the same be true for them. That's why we work to make the Alo culture authentic to a yoga lifestyle. We have a solar-powered office, yoga twice a day at our studio, electric car charging stations, an advanced recycling program that reduces waste to that of a small household, meetings outside by the fountains in our meditative Zen garden, and dog friends at work. Alo is living it in every way we can, so what we share with you comes from a place that's real. Our story connects to the empath integrity culture worldwide. If you love yoga, if you feel like mindful movement is part of your life, or maybe you're new to yoga and curious to learn more, we welcome you to join the Alo family. Join us on our journey to share mindful movement with the world. Namaste.